Did you know that certain foods can actually boost your energy levels and productivity more than a cup of coffee? It's true. Imagine having sustained energy throughout your day without the dreaded crash. Stick around because today, we're diving into 10 foods that can keep you awake and energized all day long. Hey there, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about something we all struggle with: energy slumps. You know those moments when you just can't keep your eyes open and you're fighting to stay focused? Well, I've got your back. We're going to explore 10 specific foods that can help keep you awake and alert throughout the day. From snacks to meals, these foods are packed with nutrients that can help you power through those afternoon lulls. So, let's get into it. Let's face it, energy slumps are a common challenge for many of us. You wake up feeling great, but by mid-morning, you're already reaching for that second cup of coffee or a sugary snack to keep you going. But did you know that what you eat plays a crucial role in maintaining your energy levels? Poor dietary choices can lead to quick energy spikes followed by crashes, leaving you feeling tired and unfocused. This is where the right foods come into play. By incorporating energizing foods into your diet, you can help stabilize your energy levels and maintain productivity throughout the day. So, let's dive into our list of energizing foods. All right, let's get to the good stuff. Here are 10 foods that can keep you energized. First up, oatmeal. Starting your day with oatmeal is a game changer. It's packed with fiber, which means it digests slowly and keeps your blood sugar stable. Plus, it's loaded with vitamins and minerals that boost your metabolism. You can dress it up with fruits, nuts, or even a drizzle of honey to make it more exciting. Trust me, it's worth it. Next, we have bananas. These yellow beauties are nature's energy bars. They're rich in potassium and vitamin B6, which help convert food into energy. They're perfect for a quick snack before hitting the gym or during that mid-afternoon slump. Just grab one, peel it, and you're good to go. It's like a little burst of sunshine in your hand. Then, let's talk about nuts. Almonds, walnuts, and cashews are great sources of healthy fats, protein, and fiber. A handful of nuts can provide a quick energy boost and keep you feeling full longer. They're super versatile too. Toss them in your oatmeal, sprinkle them on yogurt, or just munch on them straight from the bag. Speaking of yogurt, Greek yogurt is next on our list. Packed with protein and probiotics, Greek yogurt not only fuels your body, but also supports your gut health. Top it with some berries for an extra energy kick. It's a delicious way to start your day or a great afternoon snack that won't let you down. Now, let's not forget about spinach. This leafy green is a powerhouse of nutrients. It's rich in iron, which helps transport oxygen in your blood, providing you with more energy. Toss it in a smoothie or salad, and you'll hardly even notice you're eating something so good for you. Moving on, we have quinoa. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it has all the essential amino acids your body needs. It's also packed with fiber, making it a great option for sustained energy. You can use it as a base for salads or as a side dish, and it's super easy to cook. Plus, it's gluten-free, so it's a fantastic choice for anyone with dietary restrictions. Now, let's talk about something that might surprise you: dark chocolate. Yes, you heard that right. A small piece of dark chocolate can improve your mood and energy levels thanks to its caffeine content and antioxidants. Just don't go overboard. A little indulgence can go a long way, and it's a delicious way to give yourself a little boost. Next up are berries. Blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries are loaded with antioxidants and vitamins. They're perfect for a quick snack or added to smoothies for a burst of energy. You can even throw them in your oatmeal or yogurt for that extra flavor and nutrition. And how could I forget about eggs? Rich in protein and essential nutrients, eggs are fantastic for breakfast or any time of day. They can keep you satisfied and energized for hours. Whether you scramble them, boil them, or whip up an omelet, they're a versatile and nutritious choice. Finally, let's wrap up this list with green tea. Swap out your regular coffee for green tea. It has less caffeine, but is packed with antioxidants, providing a more stable energy boost without the jitters. It's a soothing drink that can help you stay focused without the crash that often comes from coffee. Now, let's talk about that standout food, quinoa. You might think of it as just another grain, but quinoa is unique because it's a complete protein. This means it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body needs. It's also loaded with magnesium, which helps convert sugar into energy, and fiber, which keeps you full. So, next time you're looking for a side dish or a base for your salad, give quinoa a try. It might just become your new favorite energizing food. All right, let's recap the 10 foods that can keep you awake and energized all day. Oatmeal, bananas, nuts, Greek yogurt, spinach, quinoa, dark chocolate, berries, eggs, and green tea. Incorporating these foods into your diet can help you maintain energy levels, fight off those pesky slumps, and keep you feeling alert. Remember, it's all about balance and making the right choices. Thanks for watching, everyone. I'd love to hear from you. What are your favorite energizing foods? Drop them in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to check out my other videos for more health tips. Make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. See you next time.